Xi'an, China, created in 210 BC. Over 8,000 soldiers stand here, soldiers made of clay. But here's the amazing fact. All 8,000 faces are different. Different mustache styles, different hairstyles, different nose heights, different jaw lines. Archaeologists analyzed them and found not a single identical face. How is this precision possible 2,200 years ago? The artisans used a special method. First, they stamped faces using 8 basic molds. But then they hand-carved each one. They carved noses, eyebrows, and beards. It took 2 months per face. Recent research revealed shocking evidence that they modeled real soldiers' faces. Artisans measured real soldiers' faces with string. That's why all 8,000 faces are different. But after the work was completed, all 700,000 artisans disappeared. They were buried alive inside the tomb to keep the secrets. There's an even more astonishing secret. Emperor Qin recorded that rivers made of mercury flow inside the tomb. For 2,000 years, it was considered legend. But in 2016, scientists analyzed the soil. Mercury concentration around the tomb measured over 10 times normal levels. Emperor Qin's record was fact. They transported hundreds of tons of mercury from 100 kilometers away and created a map of all China inside the tomb. But mercury concentration is too high to excavate even now. And when they first excavated in 1974, the warriors were painted in vibrant colors. But the colors disappeared within 15 minutes of air exposure. Current technology cannot preserve them. So the Chinese government decided to wait another 30 to 50 years. 2,234 years have passed. The terracotta warriors still stand. All 8,000 faces are still different. In 1974, a farmer discovered them while digging a well. They're called one of the 8 wonders of the world. But the emperor's tomb remains sealed. What's inside the tomb? Are mercury rivers really flowing? We still don't know. Perhaps we'll find out in 50 years. But one thing is certain. Emperor Qin Shi Huang died, but his army is eternal. 8,000 faces have guarded the emperor for 2,234 years. And they will continue to guard forever.